Hi, welcome to Crocheting for Beginners. And what you need to start is the hook and yarn. And to determine the size of the hook, you can find out from the label of the yarn. I'm using size 4 medium weight-worth yarn. And here's the knitting needle recommended, and here's the recommended crocheting needle, which is says US H8. To start off, we're going to do what they call a slip knot. Okay? Slip knot, you take this end and you loop it over like that. Like that. And then you take the loop, flip it over the working end of the yarn, like that. And you stick your needle underneath, like that. Take the two ends and pull tight, and you have this big loop. In order to close it, you pull the working end and you have it on your needle, your hook. And to hold your needle, your yarn, I use my right hand because I am a left-hand crocheter, and I like to take the yarn and put it over my index and my pinky and flip my hand over like that, and I hold on to my work with my thumb and my middle finger. And to chain, you take your needle, you yarn over, pull it through like that, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. I'm going to chain about 10. Okay, and then I'm going to show you when you're working off the chain. In crochet, you have the front and you have the back. The difference: the front has the V's and the back has this ridge here. I like to use the back of the chain. I want to show you the difference and where you would stick your needle here. The back, you would stick it through these loops here. The front, you would stick it through the front V's like that. And the side, you would stick it through the side and use these two loops on the side like that. And the difference is, here I have a sample. Here is through the back. And when you chain, or when you pick up your work through the back, you're going to leave these V's here on the bottom and these V's on the top, and make these V's on the top. When you're going through the top V's, you're going to leave the back ridges here, so you can see that, the back ridges, and create the V's on top like that. And when you go through the sides, you're going to leave these side ridges like that, and here create the top V's, and there's the bottom. So what I'm going to do is show you with the back. Here I'm going to do a single crochet on the second chain from the hook. So that's the first one, and here's the second one. Stick my needle here, yarn over, pull up a loop like so, yarn over, pull through both, and now you have a single crochet. That's called a single crochet. Yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. I'm going to do this to the end of the chain. Again, this is called a single crochet. I'm at my last stitch here. Okay, turn your work around, and we're going to continue single crocheting and finish with my chain. So now what I'm going to do is pick up these two V's here when I crochet. You see the top V's? That's what I am going to be using. So I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. I'm going to do this to the end of the chain, and then I'm going to turn my work again and show you again a single crochet, what it looks like. It does tend to curl. I'm on my last here. There you go. This is what it looks like so far. Turn your work around. Again, I'm working with the top V's, so I'm sticking my needle. My needle through both V's here as I'm working. Again, here's needle through. Okay, the top here, like so. Like that. Okay, that's 3 rows of single crochet, and that's what single crochet looks like. Thank you for watching.